Hi Libra, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 23rd of April to the 30th of April or the 31st. I'm going to look at your energies in this time period for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Libra. What's coming to you in this time in your environment? What I see is the Two of Wands. So the Two of Wands means a prospecting energy. You are on the verge of deciding to take a risk. You want to move towards the unfamiliar. You want to connect with the expansive energies that are coming with this Aries energy. So this is an Aries energy which is of pioneering, prospecting and moving towards a new direction. So with the Judgment and the Magician clarifying it, what it means is that you are ready to embark on a new journey. You are ready to fructify what you have envisioned for your future. You want to move towards things quickly, fast, and you have to take decisions in this time period because your deadline call has come from the universe that this is the time to pick yourself up, move towards a situation that could be fructifying for you. Whatever you have manifested will come out and happen in this time period. So try to move towards things where you have not been and you have not explored them as yet. So move towards the new. That is what is being told to you in this time period. So Three of Swords and the Emperor in your present reading is telling me that you have gone through a difficulty, a loss, and now you are trying to structure your energies around a schedule, a discipline. You are wanting to take control after a setback, after a loss. So you have been in a loss, you have taken a hit, and with the Four of Swords you have rested, or you have taken time out to think about your situation. You are also you are being recommended by the angels to take rest or recuperate before you move on to that Two of Wands energy of prospecting and pioneering for new things. It is asking you to, yes, you do want to expand. Yes, we understand that you want to explore, but angels are saying that take your time, put your ducks in a row. What is your priority? You have to look at that and then take that big step. So you could have gone through a situation of setback with a big establishment, with the establishment of a government, of a country. You could have gone through problems with a father figure, spouse figure. So you are at this time trying to take control of your life to succeed. So you will be taking advice in this time period, or talking to mentor, experts and advisors, or you will be tapping into your knowledge of the past and the learnings. So some of you are dealing with a big organization, educational institution, any kind of government institution in this time period. So you have gone through obstacles on your path, disagreements with the rules, regulation. You may have gone through problems in your commitments, problems with a spouse figure. With the Ace of Swords, what I am seeing is clarity is coming in this chaotic environment, and finally the path will be shown to you, something that you need to walk upon, and you have to go towards the light. That enlightenment is coming to you. So you were weighing your options, now you will narrow down on a certain thing. You were doing okay, but now you got to win this situation. That is what angels are saying. So in terms of your career, what I am seeing is a lucky chance is coming after you have sacrificed something. So you have to let go of something to enjoy a new chance for yourself. Your eyes should be on what is abundant for you, what is your goal, what is your money situation, how to deal with physical money situations, how to deal with a new job, how to deal with a new environment of stability. With the Queen of Swords energy and the King of Pentacles energy, your focus will be on stability. You could be becoming a bit strict. You will be keeping your boundaries with things or people or situations and trying to move on towards your long term goals, and eyes will be on the prize, and you'll be very practical in this time period. With the Two of Cups, there will be a new beginning coming to you, talks, association in a new partnership, or a new beginning of some sort in your career is going to happen. With the Ten of Swords, you have already gone through an ending in your career. So ending can mean ending of a business, ending of a job, ending of a situation that was not at all good for you. So finally that came to an end, and a new situation is developing, and the old is being let go by you in this time period. So you will be making your new moves very soon. In terms of your love situation, what I am seeing is, with the Six of Wands and the Six of Swords, you have been able to uh, accomplish a victory in a situation. You have been able to overcome your odds in your relationship situation, close relationships, or with a partner. You have moved on from a difficult relationship. For some of you, finally making a cutaway, making a move, taking care of yourself, taking care of your own interest. And with the Seven of Swords, this could be that you have been smart, you have been shrewd, you have been strategic in taking yourself out from difficult situations and not telling everyone about your agendas. Or you could be dealing with deception and you are moving on from that. You could be dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy in this time period. So you are overcoming your difficulties and finally moving into a new situation that could be peaceful, because angels have provided you with a safe passage. So what is coming to you in your love situation, an advice from the angels? It is saying cooperation instead of competition will be the best way. So what's yours is yours, and no one can take it from you. There's no need to compete, as there's an abundance for all. You have complete access to unlimited abundance for yourself and you can share it with others. With cooperative partnerships, you can accomplish anything. So this is what is being told to you. In your personal relationships, you have to take an attitude of cooperation in this time period. It could be in your career, with your colleagues. You have to cooperate to enjoy a great abundance, because what is yours will remain yours. In terms of your health situation, I am seeing Two of Swords and the Ace of Wands. So you have been going through some indecision about health. You may have gone through some stalemate, like things were not improving in terms of your health. But with the Ace of Wands, your health will improve. You will be seeing this new life spirit coming back, more enthusiasm coming back in your body, mind and spirit, and you will be doing better. You will take yourself out of difficulty in terms of your health. So in terms of your overall outcome, what I am seeing in this time period is Nine of Cups. So Nine of Cups is some wish fulfillment happening for you, with the moving on energy of the Six of Swords and the Two of Cups coming again. Six of Swords is moving on from difficult or traumatic situations to a peaceful situation where universe has provided you with the safe passage. And with the Two of Cups, you are in a new situation where things will be harmonious. You will get a friend, a confidant, you will get new associations, you will get a new beginning in your career. With the Fool coming in the future position, you will embark on a new adventure, new life, new energies are going to pervade you, and you are going to start from zero once again in your life at this time. So something is not continuous, something is totally new in this time period, and you are going to take that risk in some aspect of your life. That could be in your career, that could be in your health, that could be in your personal life. So a new start and an innocent start towards a hopeful new beginning is coming for you, Libra. So what you need to do is to keep an abundance mindset in this time period. So if you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day away from you. So see, feel, think, and speak of abundance and something you already have in the present moment. So you have to do this every day, and that is what you will experience. So think of your abundance as if it is here, it is with you, and talk about it, and never complain about lesser things in life. And because whatever you give out to the universe, it gets perpetuated. So in this time period, the Magician and the Judgment card is telling you to envision a beautiful new miracle for yourself. Communicate positively and make things work for yourself, and take action. Initiate that pioneering miraculous action that angels are asking you to do, because there is a deadline, there is a deadline from the universe. So that's it, Libra. If you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted. And once you write to me, I will reply and tell you how to book my readings. Otherwise, you can keep watching this space. This is Tarot Priestess 1313 giving you periodically free readings and guidance. And keep watching. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.